at one point in time, I was worried about dying young. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, man, we can't even afford a funeral right now. In reality, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, so I felt like, man, I just cremate me because I think cremation is like under a stat. You know what I'm saying? Get cremated. You feel me? Some depending on, you know what I mean. But like funeral,
that even cost money?
It costs to die, bro. How crazy is that?
That shit sound crazy.
You got to pay to die.
But I guarantee you, it's some kind of law from telling them folks up there that hospital, don't take them to no funeral. Just bring them here. Or when you go get embalmed, it say, hey, after you embalm them, just send them to the front door. And we'll
now I want to have a weight.
Like,
I want to have
can
a
you
weight,
do that?
but not like a.
But see, it costs. If we think about it, if we actually sit down and think about it, it costs to do everything naturally. You feel? Like,
just any typical thing. Yeah.
Everything naturally, like
you gotta pay for water when that shit is
exactly like you gotta pay for water. If you catch water, we gonna arrest your ass. You gotta pay for a funeral.
Huh? You can't
catch rainwater. You can't catch rainwater.
You can't collect rainwater?
Nope.
You lying? I had no idea. Hold the
Nope.
fuck up, dog.
You can't.
It's illegal to.
If niggas catch you,
regulating the sky.
if niggas catch you catching rainwater, that is against the law.
Imagine that being your job.
I got hood niggas that's telling their kid, hey, go put that shit in the backyard. It's finna rain. Like it ain't like, hey son, go put that in the backyard. It's like, hey, go do that real quick, cause they know.
Yeah. In Colorado, it's completely illegal to harvest. Colorado is the only state where it's illegal to harvest rainwater.
But it's other than that, it's a 110 gallon limit though. So you're right though. You got
still regulated.
It's still regulated.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Damn.
That's what I'm saying. So
see, Bama just one of the states that
rain department.
Okay, yeah.
Like that's your job to make sure niggas ain't catching rain. Like,
boy, is that 111 gallon? Boy. I know, like hell.
You even patrol that. Like,
that's what I'm saying. Like it's like damn. Who would you even have to catch this? Like what type of you got rope paying somebody? Like damn, you got expect the gadget out of this.
Y'all blowing my fucking mind.
Bro, that's why I was dead ass serious. Bro, like what? How do you regulate it?
But that's what I'm saying.
How the fuck can you do that?
I got OGs like telling they little kids like, hey, go put that container in the back. It's finna rain.
I never fucking knew this.
Not go put that shit in the front. It's finna rain. Like put this shit in the back. It's finna rain. Yeah.
America.
Yeah.
Did y'all know that bullshit?
Real talk. Real talk.
Nah, y'all gotta do that.
But that's what I'm saying. It's like, and then with COVID in place, with vaccines and all this stuff taking place, it's like they're not pushing a healthy lifestyle. They're pushing get this vaccine, not eat your veggies. The shit our parents used to tell us back in the day: eat your veggies, get your fruits, be healthy.
Environment.
Like trying like the stuff that we was fighting. Like, oh, I don't want them green beans. I don't want these black eyed peas. That's nasty.
I ain't gonna tell you no lie.
They like, nah, get this vaccine.
You
not eat this.
The people that dying from that shit, man, the folk who ain't have no like roaches and shit in their house growing up, bro.
Nah,
cause their immune system. Think about your immune. You ain't never had a paper cut, nigga. You know what I'm saying? This shit would take you out of here, buddy. You better get that.
You being funny, but you being so fucking.
I'm being dead the fuck serious.
Your body ain't had to fight.
That's why Chad Johnson be
brain.
talking about. He be playing, but he be dead ass serious. He was saying eating McDonald's and stuff like that. You keeping something like that in your system is allowing your body to not be. If you always eating everything completely organic,
talking about that Ocho
super
Cinco,
clean,
he gonna say the
it's gonna be sterile. You gonna make your body sterile.
Yeah.
So that now when it gets an intruder, it has no way of knowing. Like, you know what I'm saying, that shit throw it so off.
Do you know what
No
McDonald's meat
disrespect
really
to
is?
the people that did die from corona. No disrespect.
Straight up.
It's called.
I thought it was beef.
It's called red slime.
Oh, see, that's why I don't eat that shit.
You know what I'm saying? Ain't no cause I ain't saying shit. But you know the nigga that started that announced COVID was like, I think it was an Asian dude.
The Chinese virus. Yeah. That what Trump called it, man. Hey, Trump called it motherfucker. And they said it's Chinese virus.
The nigga that discovered it or
He didn't give a damn.
He did something in the beginning with it. You know, he ended up dying a few weeks later.
Yeah, the science. Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like,
because it was contained in the lab.
And that's kind of like You know what I mean? Whether you a conspiracy theorist or not.
No, they made it in the lab.
They was trying to invent the
confirmed
Ninja
it. They
Turtles.
confirmed that shit was cultivated.
They done fucked around with the fuck around.
In a lab, and the shit broke out of the lab, bro. Because the first people to die was people that worked in their facility over there in China, bro. Motherfucker was dropping it. I don't remember y'all. Remember, the shit was on CCTV like type shit. It was in black and white, and them motherfuckers was walking out of buildings just falling and dropping.
So I'm gonna let y'all know right now. I'm gonna cut this. I ain't finna die. Y'all finna have the FBI.
We just talking about it. We can have this on some like this in the boys.
Yeah. Boys trying to figure out what they know.
Straight A.
Who they talk to?
So look, even on that,
These
I
niggas
just
know
feel
too
like
goddamn
it's so hard to believe that because, like I said, I don't even think these niggas touched the moon. I don't think Neil Armstrong did shit on the moon.
Killed.
But the fact that you talk, the reason it was one, it always be one thought that'll make you change your whole perception on some shit. The thought that made me think about that was my homeboy, Krishan from Troy. You know Krishan. Sure. That nigga tweeted some shit. He was like, bruh, you really want us to believe that these motherfuckers went to the moon, broadcast this shit, and every fucking TV saw it, but your ass in 2021 can't even get service every fucking
No, wait, Jay.
That shit blew my fucking mind.
No, wait, Jay. No, wait, because I got some.
It blew my mind.
Tell me out. I got a fact for y'all.
Hey, Sean, man. Shout out to Sean. Hey, man, this gonna be a clip. I'm gonna send it to you, boy. You know I shout it out.
Bro, just think about it, nigga. I'm how many years away from the earth, and then you know, and then we just everybody can see this. But one thing that I did hear was that they gave Neil Armstrong a camera to take a picture of some shit, and they specifically gave this nigga instructions not to point the camera at the sun. And the nigga ended up pointing the bitch at the sun. Couldn't even get the pictures or whatever he was finna get because he ended up doing that. So I'm just like, okay, if they gave me specific instructions, why would I even send it that way? Like, it don't make sense, bro.
NASA went to the moon. Aliens don't exist.
And I enjoy my life.
Disclaimer.
But look, into all that.
We all got the vaccine.
Yeah, I'm trans-vaccinated.
Trans-vaccinated.
We will calm down.